Hello traders, how was the day today? So we are gathered here right now to take a look at what happened to the markets today and how we traded that, today being the 23rd of October 2024. As usual, before we start, if you are liking the content of these videos, please like, share, comment on the video, subscribe to the channel and click on the notification icon. So when we were looking at the market in the morning, we were around this area and we were thinking that if the price continues to come down to these areas, we may bounce from there and then we may actually get back up to the top of this particular trend line that we have, the hourly trend line, and then we may get rejected from there and start coming down once again. But that did not happen at all. If you look at the RTA chart, this was the bar number one. We were inside this support zone, but what was noticeable was that yesterday we were having long wicks at the bottom, but we were having strong bear bars in this area today. And even on Monday, we had continuous 3-4 bars right from this area, but we did not have any such movement today as of now. So after this particular gap down that happened, bar number 2 and 3 gave us the first entry short. Bar number 4 gave us the second entry long. No stop orders got executed above that. And then bar number 5 gave us the second entry short. But I did not want to take out any of the trades before we break out of this bar number 1. So after that, there was a weak attempt to get above the bar number 4 by bar number 6. So what I did was I put a stop order right below bar number 1. But at this point of time, I was just trying to scalp. I was trying to see whether we come down to the 6-1 to the 6-0 area. And as soon as we got that 5 points, we came out of that particular trade. However, the market tried to pull back up. It tried to come back down again. I put a stop order below bar number 10. But as soon as I saw this condition of the bar number 11, that it did not give me a follow through below this, we could not even break down below this, and I immediately came out of that short trade by looking at the bar number 11 close. So that was a break even trade that I had. Then we had this micro channel, the 4-bar micro channel. We were waiting for a pullback and a continuation, but then this candle kept the gap open to the EMA. This particular candle, candle number 16, went above the EMA and closed below it. I took a chance. I put my stop loss right above bar number 1 and I shorted below bar number 16. And this time after bar number 17 happened, I was thinking that now there is a good chance that the price may actually continue to the downside. Bar number 18 happened here. Bar number 19 happened. We were still holding on to that short position. At this point of time, I brought my stop loss above bar number 18. But then bar number 20 completely broke down bar number 19 and we took another short right below bar number 20. This time we were looking for the 44 to the 46 area, and as soon as we came to 46, I came out of all my contracts. Again, if you see here, this was the similar position in which the price was. This was a very strong bar, but right after that we had a doji, so I did not short here anymore at this point of time. As soon as I saw this, I actually tried to scalp long here, and I went long above bar number 25 and scalped out at 5 points on the upside. Right after that, this was the strong bar that came down, bar number 31. Now bar number 31, I was thinking that they were just coming down to get rid of the trapped bears and we may get another leg to the upside. But then bar number 32 happened, which was a doji, and after bar number 32 we got bar number 33 again, which was not a bull bar like this kind of a setup. So we again sold below bar number 33, and this time we were looking at if we could come down to the 30 line. If you remember, 5830 was the support that we had on the monthly chart, and it was the monthly trend line support. So once we shorted below bar number 33, I was waiting to get to that 30 area. And when I got to that 30 area, I actually came out of one contract. But now we were seeing that this move was so strong, so I held on to my other contract, which I came out when it touched the line 2175 here. After that, again, we went back up, and then this was the first entry short, this was the second entry short, and below this, the market came down to 5,800, but I was not a part of this trade anymore. In fact, I did not trade anymore for the rest of the day today, because I got enough profits here at this point, and I did not want to play around with that profit at any cost. So when we came down to the big round number, which is at 5,800, we came down to the 5801 level. And then we got these 3 strong bull bars which did not overlap each other much, right? And this was a very strong bull bar which closed above the EMA. So there was a chance of getting long above this or even above this and look for 20 points from the high of bar number 61. And the bulls actually got that 20 points. And we went back up and closed above this particular support area in the RT8 session. So those are all the trades that we did today. We shorted below bar number 1 and got our first 5-point scalp. We shorted below bar number 16 and came out in the 45-46 area. We got a 5-point long scalp here, and we shorted below bar number 33 again. We shorted below bar number 33 again, and we came out at 5830. And finally, all those contracts were out at the 5821.75. All these trades were explained in detail in our free Discord server. So if you want to join the free Discord server, you will find the link to that in the description below. So I will be back in the evening sometime with the expectations for tomorrow and what are the different support resistance areas that we have for tomorrow. I will end this video here right now, and I'll see you guys again very soon. Till then, have a great rest of the afternoon. Bye.